My senior year, I had the honor of breaking the home run record. I never forgot that moment. The ball left my bat, the sound of the crowd, and my teammates waiting for me at home plate. On the surface, it was just one swing, but to me, it meant so much more than just a number in the record books. That record wasn't about one season or even one career. It was about every early morning hitting session, every slump I had to fight through, every coach who pushed me, every teammate who cheered me on. The same year, I was humbled to be the SEC Player of the Year and the National Player of the Year. Those honors meant the world to me, not just because of what they represented on the field, but because they were proof that the sacrifices, the setbacks, and the relentless work were all worth it.
I'm Abbey Cheek. I graduated here at UK. I was here from 2016 to 2019. So I was on the softball team here at UK, and I also studied community leadership development, and I am being inducted into the Hall of Fame for the UK Athletics. I think, this weekend obviously shows a lot of the hard work that pays off in the long run. I think, there was good things. And I think the biggest thing, obviously, my senior year when I was the SEC Player of the Year and then the National Player of the Year, that's something that's incredible and I've always wanted to do. It's just, for me, I didn't have any words. It was crazy, I think. And honestly, it hasn't really hit me. I don't think it'll hit me until tomorrow night when I'm giving my speech. And then, but yeah, it's a super exciting honor, and I'm proud of it.
To the younger players coming up now, remember this: there will be days when it feels too hard, when you want to give up, when you doubt yourself. Don't. Those are the days that shape you. And if you keep pushing, if you keep believing, the rewards are greater than you can imagine. The University of Kentucky has given me more than I could ever repay. To be remembered in this Hall of Fame is something I will carry proudly for the rest of my life. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, and go Cats.